No joke. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yash Rao, and today we're diving into something huge. Are you a student, grinding away at your books but also dreaming of making some serious cash? I'm talking $1,000 a month without completely burning yourself out or ditching your studies. I'm not here to give you vague ideas. I'm here to break down real, practical, and actionable ways to earn that sweet, sweet cash. We're going to explore 5 insane methods that students just like you are using right now to stack up their bank accounts in 2025. Forget those old tired suggestions your parents gave you. This is the new age of student hustles, and the opportunities are absolutely massive. So I need you to do one thing for me. Grab a notebook, open up your Notes app, or just get ready to absorb some game-changing information. Are you ready? Let's dive in and make some money. LFG. This is insane! Alright, first up, and this one is an absolute monster, we're talking freelancing. Seriously guys, this is hands down one of the most powerful, accessible, and ridiculously effective ways students are absolutely crushing it and making serious bank in 2025. Forget thinking you need a fancy degree or years of experience to start. If you have a skill, any skill, like writing those essays that get A's, designing cool stuff for your club, coding even basic websites, editing videos for fun, or even just being fluent in English, you can literally start today. I'm not kidding, you could be making money by the time this video ends. The barrier to entry is practically non-existent, and the ceiling for earning, sky high. Think about the skills you already possess. Are you the go-to person for proofreading your friends' assignments? Boom, freelance editor or proofreader. Do you spend hours creating awesome graphics in Canva for your social media? Bam, freelance graphic designer. Maybe you've built a simple website for a school project or know your way around WordPress. Guess what? Businesses are desperate for those skills. Even managing social media accounts for small local businesses, something you probably do for fun, can be a paid gig. The possibilities are endless, and you're probably sitting on a goldmine of talent without even realizing it. It's time to monetize those hidden gems, people. Now let's talk platforms. Fiverr is an incredible starting point. You create a gig, which is basically an advertisement for your service. Let's say you offer to write a 500-word blog post for $20. You set your price, describe what you do, and people come to you. It's like setting up your own digital storefront. Start with a competitive price to get those first few orders and, more importantly, those first few 5-star reviews. Once the reviews start rolling in, you can gradually increase your prices. Imagine getting 10 orders a week at $20. That's $200 for something you might actually enjoy doing. Then there's Upwork or Freelancer.com. These are a bit different. You often bid on projects posted by clients. It might seem intimidating at first, but it's a fantastic way to land bigger, more lucrative projects. You create a strong profile showcasing your skills, write compelling proposals, and start applying. Don't be discouraged if you don't land the first few. Persistence is key. Every proposal you write makes you better. And once you land that first client and deliver amazing work, the door opens for more. Building a portfolio here is crucial, even if it means doing a couple of smaller projects at a lower rate initially. The secret sauce in the freelancing world, guys, is reviews and reputation. Every single positive review is like gold. It builds trust, it attracts more clients, and it allows you to charge premium rates. Next up, we have a method that's so smart, it's almost like getting paid to reinforce what you're already learning: online tutoring. If you're excelling in a particular subject, whether it's calculus, chemistry, history, or even a foreign language, why not share that knowledge and make some serious cash in the process? Think about it. You're already spending hours studying these topics. Tutoring others not only helps them, but it also solidifies your own understanding. It's a win-win situation. And in 2025, the demand for online tutors is absolutely exploding. This isn't just a small side gig, it's a legitimate way to earn a substantial income. So what subjects are hot right now? Math, from basic algebra to advanced calculus, is always in high demand. Sciences like biology, chemistry, and physics are huge too. And don't forget languages. If you're a native English speaker, you can tutor English to people all over the world. If you're bilingual, even better. Test preparation for exams like the SAT, ACT, GRE, or even specific subject tests is another massive market. Basically, if there's a subject taught in school, there's someone out there who needs help with it, and they're willing to pay for your expertise. You don't need to be a certified teacher, you just need to be good at the subject, and good at explaining it. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Preply, or Cambly are your gateways to this tutoring goldmine. Chegg Tutors, for example, connects you with students needing help in a vast array of subjects. You can set your own schedule and tutor from anywhere with an internet connection. Pay rates typically range from $10 to $25 an hour, and sometimes even more for specialized subjects. Preply is fantastic for language tutoring, connecting you with students globally. Cambly is specifically for tutoring English, where you can just log on and chat with students looking to practice their conversation skills. It's incredibly flexible. Imagine this, you're really good at algebra. You sign up for an online tutoring platform and set your rate at $20 an hour. Even if you only dedicate 5 hours a week, maybe 1 hour each weekday evening, that's an extra $100 a week. That's $400 a month. For 10 hours a week, you're looking at $800 a month. And the best part? You're probably reviewing concepts you need for your own classes anyway. It's like getting paid to study, which is an absolutely insane hack for students. This isn't chump change. This is serious money that can cover your rent, books, or just give you some breathing room. Alright, let's talk about something that literally everyone with a smartphone can jump into: social media and content creation. Have a phone? Got a bit of creativity? Then you, my friend, have the potential to start making some serious money. In 2025, platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok aren't just for mindless scrolling. They are legitimate avenues for income through creator funds, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. You don't need a fancy camera crew or a Hollywood studio. Your phone and your unique perspective are your greatest assets. This is your chance to turn your screen time into serious cash. First up, let's look at YouTube Shorts. These are short, snappy videos, usually under 60 seconds, and YouTube is pushing them hard. This means massive reach potential. The YouTube Shorts Fund pays creators for popular videos, even if their channel isn't monetized in the traditional way yet. Think about creating quick study tips, funny skits about student life, or mini tutorials related to your major. The key is consistency and creating content that grabs attention quickly. Even a handful of moderately successful shorts can start bringing in some cash. Then you've got Instagram Reels and TikTok. These platforms are all about trends, creativity, and engagement. If you can hop on a trending sound or create a unique challenge, you can gain visibility fast. For students, content ideas are everywhere. Day-in-the-life vlogs, dorm room hacks, relatable student struggles, quick educational explainers, or even showcasing a hobby. As your audience grows, brands will start to notice. Even smaller accounts with a dedicated following can land paid partnerships, sponsored posts, or get free products. It's all about building that community. You might be thinking, but Yash, I don't want to be an influencer, or I'm not good on camera. That's a common misconception. Content creation isn't just about dancing or being an extrovert. You can create faceless content like screen recordings of tutorials, animated explainers, or aesthetic study with me, videos with calming music. The key is to find your niche and your style. What are you passionate about? What knowledge can you share? Authenticity resonates with audiences more than anything else. Alright team, let's talk about a double whammy: gaining invaluable experience and earning money. I'm talking about remote internships and part-time virtual jobs. In 2025, you don't need to be physically present in an office to contribute meaningfully to a company and get paid for it. This is a huge opportunity for students because it offers flexibility and a chance to build your resume while still managing your studies. Don't underestimate the power of getting real-world experience early on. It's a massive advantage. Websites like Internshala, Indeed, with a remote filter, Remote OK, and even LinkedIn, are treasure troves for finding these opportunities. Companies are increasingly open to hiring student interns for remote roles in areas like marketing, social media management, content writing, graphic design, data entry, customer support, and even entry-level coding or web development tasks. These roles are often part-time, making them manageable alongside your coursework. You get to learn from professionals, contribute to real projects, and earn a paycheck. Think about it. You could be helping a startup manage their social media presence, writing blog posts for a growing company, or assisting a marketing team with research, all from your dorm room or campus library. The experience you gain is incredibly valuable. It's not just about the money you earn now, it's about what these experiences will allow you to earn in the future. A strong internship on your resume can be the difference maker when you're applying for full-time jobs after graduation. It shows initiative, practical skills, and the ability to work in a professional environment. Now, landing these remote internships requires a bit of effort. You'll need a solid resume that highlights your skills, relevant coursework, and any projects you've worked on, even personal or academic ones. Your cover letter needs to be tailored to each position, showcasing your enthusiasm and why you're a good fit for that specific remote role. Treat the application process seriously, just as you would for an in-person job. Professionalism, even in email communication and virtual interviews, is key. Show them you're a dedicated and reliable candidate, ready to hit the ground running. But what if you need cash like right now, or don't have time for a full internship commitment? That's where microtask sites come in. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, mTurk, or Clickworker offer small, quick tasks that you can do in your spare moments. We're talking things like data validation, image tagging, short surveys, transcribing audio snippets, or categorizing data. Each individual task might only pay a few cents or $1, but if you're efficient, it can add up. Alright, for our final chapter, we're diving into something truly magical, selling your skills or digital products for that sweet, sweet passive income. Imagine creating something once and then getting paid for it over and over again, even while you're sleeping, studying, or out with friends. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality for many students who are leveraging their knowledge and creativity to build automated income streams. This is where you work smart, not just hard, and the potential for scaling is absolutely insane. So what kind of digital products can a student create and sell? The list is endless. If you're organized and love planning, you could create and sell digital planners, Notion templates for students, like assignment trackers, course organizers, or budget planners, or printable study guides. Are you good at writing resumes or cover letters? Create professional templates and sell them. Know your way around Canva? Design social media templates, presentation templates, or even ebook covers. If you've aced a particular subject, compile your notes into a comprehensive study guide or create practice question sets. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even the Notion Marketplace are your best friends here. Etsy is fantastic for creative digital products like planners, templates, and printables. You set up a shop, list your items with good descriptions and attractive mock-ups, and Etsy's massive audience can find you. Gumroad is super simple for selling directly to an audience, whether it's an ebook, a video course, or a software preset. It's incredibly creator-friendly. And with Notion becoming so popular, selling well-designed Notion templates is a booming market. Let's break down an example. You spend a weekend creating an amazing, comprehensive Notion student organization template. It includes a dashboard, assignment tracker, grade calculator, note-taking system, and a habit tracker. You list it on Gumroad or the Notion Marketplace for $10. If just 30 students buy it in a month, that's $300. And the best part? After that initial creation effort, every sale is almost pure profit and requires minimal ongoing work from you. That's $300 for something you made once. Now imagine you have 5 or 10 such products. The numbers start to get really exciting. The key to success with digital products is identifying a need and creating a high-quality solution. Think about what fellow students struggle with. Is it organization, time management, understanding a specific difficult concept? If you can create a digital product that genuinely helps them, they'll be willing to pay for it. Don't just slap something together. Put in the effort to make it valuable, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. Alright, that's a wrap on 5 incredible ways you as a student can start earning $1,000 a month in 2025. We've covered freelancing, online tutoring, content creation, remote internships and microtasks, and selling digital products. The opportunities are absolutely massive, and I genuinely believe that with a bit of effort and consistency, you can hit that financial goal without sacrificing your grades or your sanity. Remember, the key is to start. Pick 1 or 2 methods that resonate with you and take that first step today. You have the skills, you have the drive, now go make that money. If this video helped you, if it sparked an idea, or if you're feeling motivated to start your own hustle, then do me a huge favor. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment down below. I want to know, what's your side hustle going to be? Seriously, let me know. I read all the comments and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Your journey starts now, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. And one last thing, don't forget to check out the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, stay smart, stay focused, and most importantly, stay hustling. Let's get this bread. Peace.